Hey, tell him, Rick, turn the handle, Randall. Woo! Yeah, buddy.
I got it right here. Turn the handle, Randall. Quick. Shark got him. We're going. Hooked on sails. Yellowfin tuna fishing is about to happen. The next trip, we're gonna go and look at some property over in the Bahamas. Build that triple duplex. Get a sixplex over there going on. Heading over there and getting many trips in. We're gonna call it the content house, but truthfully it's the investment house. Grand Bahama, baby. It's on. One time for the yellowfin tuna. We're cruising at about 54 miles an hour. We're running a fuel burn of about 0.71. These are gonna be my neighbors. I'm looking at building 3 duplexes. So duplex right over there, duplex right here, duplex right here.
Oh my God.
You got a shark?
I think so.
Oh no, shark.
Hey, tell him, Rick, turn the handle, Randall. Put the first down, it's fucking real, though. Make that arm hurt. Make it hurt, dude. This is my personal trainer over here. You've been working out for how long? This is all you got? Hey, he goes to the gym every day, and this is all you can do, bro. Look at that length, dog. Randall, blasted. Daniel, son. Hold up. Hold up. In that boat. Hold on. Pinwheeling. Oh, that's a fucking yellow. Oh, yeah. Yellow. That's a yellow. Giant shark. Hurry up. Get him. Get him, man. Get him. Shark right there. Shark right there. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Yeah, brother. Get him in the boat. Woo! Look at that one. Look at that.
All right, folks, it's 5 a.m. We're getting up out of the room in Ukiah, Freeport, Grand Bahama, getting the coffee made. Ooh, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's fill the boat today. See what the Bahamian waters brings us. All right, 5:30 in the morning, and we're ready to go.
Hi, guys.
How about it, guys? You ready to go get on the tuna grounds? Let's get them.
We're gonna find these birds. Look at that. You see that dot right there? That dot outside of all of this noise right here, okay? This is called sea clutter. And that dot right there, I want to bet that's a bird. See how it goes away? Watch, it's gonna come back after a couple of turns. Nah, you can't see him yet. We gotta get on. Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him.
The yellowfin are busting. There's the bird. We got the frigate. Oh, you're on. Turn the handle, Randall. Turn the handle, Randall.
Yes, sir.
Handle, Randall.
Yeah.
Turn the handle, Randall.
That's a ghost there,
No. I'll tell you what, if I do get hooked up, I'm gonna be tired. Float, dog. Float. Float.
I got you, dog. Got you, dog.
I just got done telling you.
how tired I am. If there was so many sharks in the water, I'd have jumped right the in. I was gonna jump in. I swear I was gonna jump in. I was like, all that chunks in the water, and I know how the sharks are over here in the Bahamas. Fuck that rod, I was gonna let it go. Hey, the whole rod was floating though. It's a floater. All right, so we just fully googaned it up, but my boy Rick saved the rod thanks to the popper floating, and actually the whole rod floats. I'm really only supposed to throw the popper in, not the whole rig. Don't try this at home, fellas. Look at that gaff. Look at that gaff. Look at that, Look at that gaff. I'm hooked up. Hey, somebody give me a gaff. I don't know what this is. Not a dolphin.
Oh, you got a California yellowtail.
There you go. There you go. Woo! Nice. That's sushi right there. I'll take it. I'll take it. Man. Man. Look at that thing. There's a shark. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just a little skippy. Nah, but he wrapped up on something. There you go.
No, Skippy.
Skippy. Skippy, Skippy. Here we go, here we go. Over me, over me. I'm going to. Oh man, I can't believe I still got this fish. I pulled some bloopers on this trip. It's a blackfin. Here, one more. Ooh, oh, look at that one. That was a pretty nice gap. Woo! That's a nice blackfin.
Got it?
Take that. Get him up here, get him up here. Woo! Look at that one. Yeah, buddy. Nice job, gentlemen. Yeah, buddy.
Push it out, push it out. Hold him like you love it.
Woo! There's Batman. Oh, there they go. I just seen them busting out of the water over there. Yeah, nice one.
That's a shark bite?
Yeah.
Oh, what was that? What was that?
Hey Hunter, let's go look at these fish that we caught over in the Bahamas. Come on, check it out.
Come get this
Come
tail.
help Danny. Go ahead, come on, come on,
Grab
come
this
on.
tail. No, grab this tail right here.
Yeah, look at this one, grab this one, grab that one, grab that one.
Grab it, don't let it fall out. Is that a big one or no? Yeah, see, this one's bigger. Grab this one.
I heard those no good. Although I know that's the prime time.
It's fresh. It's fresh.
Look at that. Perfect. Slabs, yellowfin, tuna. I don't want that.